Today we are going to start lesson 3. Unit 3, okay, we are working on Unit 3 and today we start lesson 3 on page 44. We have been practicing the past simple for more than 2 weeks, and today we introduce actions in progress in the past. And for that, to express actions in progress in the past, we need to use past progressive. So today we are going to introduce that. Jonathan, what is atmosphere? The definition, not translation.
I can say wall.
A wall, like a wall.
Or like a
Okay. If we talk about specifically the atmosphere of the planet, we talk about layers. Okay, in Spanish, capas, layers around the planet. Okay, L-A-Y-E-R, layers. Layers, the layers around the planet. We can talk about gases. For example, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, those gases are in the atmosphere of this planet. Cesar, another meaning for atmosphere?
Like the music, the atmosphere in a place.
Okay. Exactly. The ambience. The ambience. How you feel in a place. Okay. In a restaurant, in a club, in a discotheque. Even in a school, in a classroom, we have atmosphere according to the kind of classmates that we have, according to the subject. According to the activity that we are doing, we can have an atmosphere. Okay. Let's see. Adriana, what is crash? Crash. What is crash? No translation. Definition in English. Yes.
Destruction.
Sorry?
Destruction.
A destruction. The destruction can be the result of a crash. But what is exactly a crash?
The impact between two objects.
Sorry?
The impact between two objects.
Okay, it can be when an object impacts another object. And the technical word is collision. Okay, collision. Yes, when two objects collide, we have a crash. Obviously, we immediately think about cars, planes, okay, when they crash. And the result can be a destruction. Okay, let's see. Jose Alberto, what is ground? Ground.
Where fruit and vegetables.
It's a button. Okay, well, somebody else, what is ground?
Floor.
Okay, sometimes we refer to the ground as the floor. Okay, that's possible.
Which
That's
is the
possible.
difference between floor and ground?
Okay, the ground is the surface of the planet. Okay, that's the ground, the surface of the planet, the land on the ground. Okay. The difference between floor is that floor can be artificial. For example, this is the floor, but it's artificial because we are on the second floor or the third floor. Okay? So it's artificial because it's a perception. Okay? In the perception that we have at this moment, this is the floor, but it's not the ground. Okay? You see the ground, that's the ground. Okay? The field that you see over there, Jose Alberto was mentioning fruits, trees, okay? Because the trees have the roots
In the ground.
in the ground. Okay? Is it possible for a tree to grow here on this floor? It's impossible. Okay? Because the trees get the nutrients, okay, from the ground. Okay? That is, sorry? Yes, underground. Let's see. Andres, what is magnetic? What is magnetic?
Is the attraction of one object to an magnet.
To a magnet. Okay? It's a characteristic. It's a characteristic. Okay? Objects are attracted to each other. Okay? Normally. But sometimes this characteristic is very obvious or very specific. Okay? The planet, the Earth, the center of the planet is magnetic. Okay? And all the planets in the solar system, they also have magnetic characteristics. They attract to each other. Okay, we are going to read this article, this story. Pay attention to the two types of actions in the past. Okay, we continue checking past simple actions, but we are going to introduce actions in progress too. So listen.
Interesting, teacher. Teacher, it's interesting.
Okay, listen.
Teenager hit by meteorite.
On June 5, 2009,
Garrett Blank was walking through the school bus when he saw a ball of light in the sky. It was coming straight toward him, a meteorite. The red-hot rock burned the schoolboy's hand and hit the ground so hard that it made a 30-centimeter long hole in the road. The meteorite crashed to Earth in Essen, in Germany. 14-year-old Garrett told reporters, "I saw a large ball of light, and then I suddenly felt a pain in my hand. A moment later, there was an enormous bang, like thunder. The noise was so loud that my ears were ringing for hours afterward. After the meteorite hit me, it was still falling fast enough to make a hole in the road." Garrett took the tiny piece of rock to school and told the story of his lucky escape. His classmates believed him. "I'm really interested in science, and my teachers discovered that the rock is magnetic," he added. Experts think it was traveling at about 500 kilometers per hour when it hit Garrett. Most meteorites don't actually reach Earth because they burn up in the atmosphere. Some of them hit the ground, but most of them land in water. It's extremely rare for meteorites to hit people. The chance is about 1 in 100 million. As far as we know, there's only one other case where a person survived a meteorite strike. In November 1954, a rock crashed through the roof of a house in Alabama, in the U.S. It landed on a woman, Ann Hodges, who was asleep on the sofa because she wasn't feeling well.
Okay, any question? Somebody has questions?
¿Por qué se conjuga el presente? O sea, no es que se conjuga, sino la palabra en presente ocupando el pasado.
Porque dice que estaba caminando.
El ING.
No, ing is a form. Okay, ing is a form, not a tense.
Para progreso.
Okay, remember. We were talking about this in a previous class. Don't confuse verb forms with tenses. Okay, because in Unit 1 we studied present progressive. In Unit 2 we studied gerunds. The two of them, ing, and now ing again. But present progressive, gerunds, and past progressive is different things. And present progressive and past progressive, they are tenses. Okay, so please work after reading section. The 8 questions, you have to answer those questions in your notebook. We are going to check the answers to the exercise. Let's see. Gabi, what was Garrett doing when a meteorite hit him?
He was walking to the school.
He was walking to the school bus. Okay, he was walking to the school bus. Okay, Mr. Lopez. Huh? Yes? Mr. Lopez, number 2. What did he see in the sky?
He saw a ball of light in the sky.
Okay, he saw a ball of light. Very good. Let's see. Fatima, number 3. What did he feel and what did he hear? Okay. He felt past tense, a pain in his hand. He heard an enormous bang. Okay? He heard an enormous bang. Ariana, question number 4. Was the meteor large? How do you know?
Yes, it was large. I know it was very wonderful
Okay. In the reading, that is the information that Garrett provides. But for you, for me, okay, for us, was the meteor large? No, it was small. How do you know? We can see the meteorite in Garrett's hand. It's very small. Okay, Cleverson. Question number 5. How fast was it traveling when it hit Garrett? It was traveling at about 500 kilometers per hour. It was traveling at about 500 kilometers per hour. Levi, number 6. Do meteorites often hit people? Do meteorites often hit people? Okay, the statistic says that the probability is about 100 in a million. So, often? No, they don't. No, they don't often hit people. No, they don't often hit people. Julio, number 7. Did the meteorite kill Ann Hodges?
No, it didn't.
No, it didn't. Okay. Fernando, was she reading when the meteorite hit her? No, she wasn't. She was sleeping. She was sleeping on the sofa.
On the sofa. No. She was sleeping.
It's okay.